Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about VIP industries which can still perform from these levels after such a good run over the last 1.5 years. So let's understand about the business. Let's get started. First of all, disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about VIP, here's a small request. Kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, help me grow the channel. Help you also ask me questions and eke out answers in greater detail. Once you get a $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and number of podcasts I put up from time to time. And also, if you can pay $100 upfront, you get 1 year access by paying for 10 months. For detailed market or company talk, you can directly email me and we can work things out with a fee. And also, if you cannot pay on Patreon, you can join the YouTube membership and you get all the benefits of Patreon on YouTube. Now about the company. Established in 1971, VIP provides luggage and travel accessories across India and is headquartered in Mumbai and has more than 2,000 employees now, and the leader in its space, and has spread across major, you can say roped in major celebrity and spread across major cities here in India. Have six brands, namely Aristocrat, Skybag, etc., and have operations also in United Kingdom, Dubai, and Singapore. So it is also you can say expanding into other places outside India. If you look at the financials, these are December quarter numbers. So sales went up by 70%, profit jumped by around 720%. Interest burden has reduced over time, so the debt has reduced. There's decent promoter and institutional holding, return on equity of around 27%, and operating profit margin of 16% is quite strong. Coming to the performance, numbers are much better as things are on the ground are getting better. So numbers have improved sharply, and currently it has been consolidating at the upper end. Very good consolidation taking place for the past 20-25 days in a downward market. Numbers are set to improve and become even better during the summer season. Sales and bottom line both have surged and may continue to remain robust at least for the next couple of quarters as things open up. Big time domestic travel industry is set to pick up, and it has produced strong return ratios till recently. So apart from the last couple of quarters, the numbers and return ratios have been extremely strong for the company over the last 5-6 years, and I believe that summers will set to boost the numbers, and it's going to be the best in the last 3 years. From FY19 onwards, it hasn't been that great from FY20. So over the last 3 years, there have been a lot of you can say problems for the company, as it has been with many travel industry stocks, or you can say consumer stocks in the which work in the summer season. So things are set to get much better this time around with the pandemic being away. Why I believe this can be a doubler from this, it has a low market cap for such a business that it is doing. It is around 8,000 9,000 crore market cap. I think it should at least be a 15 to 20,000 crore market cap company, based on the kind of sales and the growth that it is showing, and future growth looks imminent. Once things normalize, and we are seeing that on the ground with the kind of travel and hotel booking that we are seeing this year. It has been unprecedented over the last 3 years, that such kind of numbers have been produced. It can easily be a proxy to your air and rail travel. So rather than buying into say airways companies or airline companies which are having a lot of debt and there are a lot of issues with ATF prices, etc., and so on and so forth, you can buy into luggage accessory companies, which would work for even rail travel or on the ground travel like on road, or you can say airline travel. So VIP fits the bill in that sense, and it should surge once summer begins. I believe the sales would surge big time, and this time around, the June and September quarter could be extremely interesting, and the numbers could be even better. So demand will be strong after two barren years in the summers. This time around, demand in the holiday season should be pretty good, and debt has reduced sharply. That will also boost the bottom line. So in my opinion, you can buy on major declines from current levels. You can buy some here, maybe 20-25% of your total holding, and wait for 7 to 10% fall to accumulate even further. I believe 10% from here around 540, 550 would be very good levels to get into it. Have a 3 year view. It should be a doubler over the next 3 years or so, and I believe that currently after the run up, after it becoming double from around 300, 330 levels, it can go further 2x from here. So have less than 5% exposure into such stocks, but things look bright for something like a VIP. So this was my video on VIP. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post, and kindly support me on Patreon. Thanks a lot for watching.